analysis?
What it shows is the balance between the concentric and the eccentric muscles of the legs, quads versus your hamstrings, and basically it gives you a lot of information, but the main thing you're looking at, there's a ratio that'll show the balance, and you want that number as close to 1 as possible. I guess I'm assuming 1 would be optimal, and so what we were able to find out is her balance is good, which is nice because it shows the training we've been doing is working and we can continue it. Maybe tweak it a little bit. But between the strength of the quadricep versus the hamstring, and where a lot of the athletes, boys and girls both, will have an imbalance by having a stronger quadricep versus their hamstring, which when they go to make a cut could cause a knee injury, or a straight ahead sprint cause a hamstring injury, a tear or pull. So by doing this testing, you can really see, well, you have your quads, your quadricep muscles or thighs are much stronger than your hamstring. So we need to develop something to strengthen that hamstring to make them more equal. Yeah, probably one of the main concern of us, and I think a lot of parents of female athletes, is ACL injury. So anything we can do right now to possibly prevent that would really be a bonus.
They like strapped it to your back and on your thighs, and then they made you do like lateral like jumps back and forth, and then you waited, and then you did it again like 5 more times.
We heard about it through her varsity field hockey coach. Just sent an email to the team, just making all the players aware that this testing would be going on. If they're interested, they need to sign up. So as soon as we saw it, we right away jumped on it, just knowing the amount of times she plays and the years that she will be playing. And I wasn't really sure about what type of equipment, because it's new. So this was the first I saw it. So they basically they look at, check out their knees and look at, have her do a few tests, and then when they hook up the equipment, it was the lateral agility type movement to measure the strength in both the quadricep and hamstring. So it's new technology. It's the first I've seen it. So hopefully it really takes off. I think having the number, the actual graph to look at is huge, because the training that we have been doing, you tend to measure the results based on the physical part of what she's doing. She's doing it quicker, doing it faster, doing it easier. But you can't really tell if the balance is there. So by having this number, you can actually look and see the actual balance is there in the leg. The exercises we're doing are working. We're developing both the hamstring and the quadricep. I don't think there's any really way to tell that without this. You can kind of guess. You could do the look test. That's really about it. So it's huge. It's an asset to have this number.